Hello everyone! Today is the first day of our farm series that's going to be going on with all sorts of farm related things. So the first thing we're going to do is make this sheep right here. So let's take it apart so I can show you how to build it. Alright, I'm done taking everything apart. So now, I'm going to show you everything you'll need. You'll need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1x2s. 2 of these 1x1 slow pieces. 2 of these 1x1 tile pieces that are circular. 1 of these 2x4 flat pieces, and this little shield plate thing. So first, let's get our eyes onto our sheep. Now let's make it look sleepy. Let's just turn this a bit. Or you can just readjust it by taking it off, putting it on again. And no, there's nothing supposed to be here. It's just supposed to be those two. And now, let's get to this part. So let's put these two pieces here. Get these 1x1, 1x2 pieces. Put the head on top of here. And now, before we can get that fixed, I forgot to do one thing. We should put the neck on. And then we can attach our legs to the bottom, and we're done. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video and the videos to come on this farm series. I haven't brought in the farm yet because we have just started the series, and as we add more things, we'll put it on to our farm plate, and soon it'll be filled to the brim with farm stuff. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share with all your friends. Meh. Meh. Meh.